Hello students. In the previous lecture we have discussed about planning, definition of planning. In today's lecture we will discuss about the importance of planning. Now why planning is important? Planning is very important in all types of organization, whether business or non-business, private or public, small or large. The organization which thinks much ahead about what it can be done in future is always likely to as compared to one which fails to do so. Planning is an important because of the following reasons. So as we have discussed that planning is crucial. If we will plan in a good manner, then only we will sustain in this competitive world. Otherwise it is quite difficult. Without planning, you will never ever able to get your targets. Now what is primacy of planning? Planning is the first and foremost function of management. Other functions follows planning. What is not planned cannot be organized and controlled. So, planning is the most important function of the management. Other functions also works with the help of planning only. If you are not able to do the planning, then you cannot organize the task and you are not able to control over that. So, planning establishes the objective and all other functions are performed to achieve the objective set by the planning process. Second, planning will help you to minimize the risk and uncertainties. The organization continuously interact with the external dynamic environment where there is a great amount of risk and uncertainty. As you are running the organization, so organization is work with the external environment. In the external environment, there may be a stakeholders, your purchasers, suppliers, raw material suppliers. Okay, then government is there. Number of other taxing bodies are there. Number of things are there. Okay, so you can't predict. Say, taking the examples of your COVID 19. Nowadays, we are facing the problem of COVID 19. So, most of the organization have never think that such thing is going to be happen in the society or in our nation. So, because of this, what happened? As we are never thinking of this one, so most of the companies are facing a huge loss during this period because they are not able to do the production. Machineries are there, everything is there, but what happened, the laborers are not able to come into the organization. Whatever the product they are going to prepare or they are going to manufacture, that is not going to be shipped or transported to the publics or transported to the buyers, and even buyers are not able to get the products on time. So these are the things. Okay, so these are the risks and these are uncertainties which cannot be predicted. But while you are going to do the plan, you need to consider some sort of risk that this might be happen. As COVID is not possible to just consider, but some things you need to consider it. Planning helps the manager to cope up with the prepare with and prepare for changing environment. Managers can reduce the risk and uncertainties by using rational and fact-based procedure for making decision. Okay, now as a manager, in the definition of planning, we already discussed that manager able should be able to see in the future or he should able to predict certain future. Okay, so what happened? He will just try to understand what may be the risk. So he has a very good imagination power, and what are the changes that are going to be happen in the futures, and based on that he should do the planning. You have always two plan. If plan A does not work, then you have to go for the plan B to focus attention on the objective. That is the third important of planning. Planning focuses on the organization objectives, the direction of acting for achieving these objectives. It helps the manager to apply and coordinate all resources of the organization effectively in achieving the objectives. So basically what happened, the most important function of the manager is the allocation of resources. Okay, so with the proper planning, the manager will allocate the resources and organize it in the effective manner. the whole organization is forced to embrace identical goal and collaborate in achieving them. Now, as an organization, your goal is one, okay, but and that goal is set by the top management. And as a supervisor level in the organization, there are so many departments, such as production department is there, quality control department is there, purchase department is there, HR department is there, operation department is there, transportation department is there, finance department is there. So there are so many department in the organization, and all the department are working to achieve that top goal, which is set by the top management. But what happened? The method and the objective of each and every department is different. Now, when you are the proper planning, you should be able to work in synchronization with all other department to achieve that goal. Planning will facilitate control. Planning sets the goal and develop the plans to achieve them. These goals and plan become the standards and benchmark against which the actual performance can be measured. Control involves the measurement of actual performance, comparing it with the standards, and initiating corrective action if there is a deviation. Control ensures that activity conforms to plan. Hence, control can be exercised if there are plans. Now, simple example that we are going to discuss over here is you are planning for preparing one subject. After 15 days, there is exam, and you want to just top in that exam, or you want to just start your studies today. As an engineer, we are going to start the studies in PLs, or just some 15 days 10 days before the exam. Now what happened, we have 5 subjects and we have say 15 days. So you are going to make a plan, each and everyone is going to do that. Okay, you will take one page, and on that page you are going to write down the names of subject, and you are going to allocate the days that for 15 days are there, then I will give you 3 days for first subject. Okay, you are giving the 3 days per subject, but there are some subjects which are somewhat difficult to understand, or you are not paid them concentration over there, so you are not able to get certain concept over there. So instead of 3 days, that require 4 days. Now what happen when one subject require 4 days, so definitely your plan is going to be change. Okay, what happen if that subject require 4 days, one day is subtracted from some other subject, so you need to just try to find out the corrective action. Now how you are going to do that? So there are some subjects which are already understood by you in a proper manner, so it requires less time, so you are going to just make a flexible, we will make a certain change in that. What change? Okay, X subject requires 4 days, so I will just allocate one day from Y subject, so I can complete the Y subject in 2 days, and I will give you the additional one day for this subject. Or second thing, if you are decided I will study 4 hours per day, and as per that you are given the 3 days for the subject, and you find out that it requires more time, so what you are going to do, you can allocate more times. So instead of studying for 4 hours, you can go for 6 hours per day or 7 hours per day. So these are certain changes we are going to just do in the planning. When you know that the plans are not going to be achieved, your target or your goal is not going to be achieved, and these are called as the control measures. So planning, if planning is there, then you should be able to facilitate the control. 5. To increase the organizational effectiveness. Effectiveness implies that the organization is able to achieve its objective within the given resources. So organization has limited resources, and within that resources you have to find just complete your task. Okay, so without proper planning it is not possible to effectively utilize the resources. The resources are put in a way which ensures maximum contribution to the organization objective. Effectiveness leads to success. Okay, if you are going to use the optimum resources, then only it is possible for you to get the